If you watch a random TikTok clip and thought, what movie is that from? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you ways on how to find the exact movie title from any clip on TikTok. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. So for example, you're scrolling on TikTok and you want to know a title of a short movie like this one. The first thing to do is look at the caption or in the comments of that TikTok video. Sometimes the creator already mentioned the movie title in there. However, if you can see it in there, you can follow these steps. If you're using a Samsung phone just like me, you can do this. Now, select a specific part of that clip, then pause the video. Now long press on this navigation bar to activate the circle to search. Then create a box around the movie clip, and it will search automatically for that specific part of that movie. And just like that, you will get an instant result. It will show you the title of that movie, or in some case, you can go through the other results and look for the title of that movie. Now, if you're not a Samsung user or maybe you're using an iPhone, you can follow the steps. The first thing to do is take a screenshot of any scene from the movie. After that, go back to your home screen and open Google browser. In here, click this lens icon. Now select the screenshot, and basically it will give you the same result. By doing this, you can easily search for the title of any movies that you watch in TikTok. And that's it. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace out.